new thing from Westflowers breeding. This is Lilac Falls. It's a Stachy's and Lamium hybrid. Really kind of an interesting plant. They're claiming that it's going to perform well in warmer temperatures. It's the first intergeneric hybrid of those two. So from Westflowers, they've got the Hot series of lobelia. These were all bred for summer performance in hot weather. This is hot water blue. It's a really, really nice bright blue, light faded lemon color. It's a really nice plant. They're saying that it performed very, very well in the trials at Costa Farms in Miami, so it should do pretty well for those of us in warmer places. Also comes in Snow White. Can be grown in those quarts. Here's some 10-inch baskets. This is hot water blue. This is hot purple. It's another one of the color options that they have. Hot brilliant blue. A really nice dark blue, white eye spot. Snow White again in the 10-inch basket. And hot royal blue. And the royal blue is a little more vigorous. It's a little more spreading. They're saying that it works a little better in combos and things like that. It doesn't stay quite as much, but it is very similar in color to the Virginia blue, which is a little more compact, a little tighter. Maybe not quite as good for combos. So those are them in the 10s, and you can see them finished in the 1s here as well. Snow White, the brilliant blue, the royal blue. You can kind of see the growth habit difference on those. Hot water blue, their original one, purple, and then dark lavender as well. Interesting geraniums from Westflowers, something that they don't normally do very much of. They're saying that these were kind of a small project. These will probably be the only ones that they do. These are the glitter zonal geraniums. Got glitter orange and glitter pink. A nice splash type flowers on them with a nice dark zone. An interesting option. It's kind of salmony orange color, like orange. And the pinks again, that nice slushy paint stripple. I'm not sure the stripple is actually a word, but there we'll go with that. Paint stripple. Really nice pink. And their zones on this one don't seem to be quite as dark. They're both very well branched, both have a nice habit. Options maybe we should take a look. Silver Star Helichrysum from Westflowers. It's kind of a nice silver accent plant, one of their offerings in the accent plant category. Nice silvery leaves, fuzzy. I don't know if you can see that real well. Nice fuzzy leaves, nice silver, plays very well in a mixed container, and it's not stinky, which is kind of a nice thing for some of the Helichrysums. So it actually doesn't have a stinky smell. There's an interesting scabola from Westflowers. This is Scalora Topaz Pink. Really nice pink, stable color, they're saying. Nice branching, nice inflorescence structure. You can notice the petals on them are not curled back, they're curled nice and flat, they're all bunched up at the end. You get a really nice floral display. And they're saying that this performed comparable to the top pots in the trials in South Florida at Costa Farms. Score Topaz Pink. Crazy Tunias from Westflowers. This one is not a new one, but it's one of their best sellers. This is Cherry Cheesecake. Got a really nice creamy white color with the bright cherry red striping in it. Really nice option in petunias if you're interested. Crazy Tunia Cherry Cheesecake. New Crazy Tunia from Westflowers. This is Crazy Tunia Razzmatazz. They're saying this one is comparable to Mandeville. If you're familiar with Mandeville, they're saying that it's very similar, got similar coloration, but the yellow in it is much more stable than it is in Mandeville, and so you get that yellow development a lot better. Unlike Mandeville, which occasionally, due to temperature, you can have problems with the yellow actually showing up. Nice plant. Crazy Tunia Razzmatazz. From Westflowers. These are the Hell's petunias, named after Hell's Bells. Comes in 3 colors. This is Hell's Bells Orange. This is Hell's Glow. And this is Hell's Fruit Punch. Very nice. Very nice looking petunias. Very vivid colors. Again, the Fruit Punch, kind of a corally pink color. Hell's Glow is more of a magenta. Really nice. I don't know how well it's showing up on this video, but it actually does sort of almost look like it glows. And then the Hell's Bells Orange is a really nice, kind of a salmon color. Really nice plants. Nice structure to them. Lots of nice branching. Look like they would work really well, in a hanging basket or in a regular container, maybe even in the ground. Hell's Petunias from Westflowers. So ketchup and fries on display here at the Plug Connection stack. An interesting plant. It's a potato with a tomato plant grafted on top of it. And they've got these fun little see-through boxes, and you can see the potatoes there, and you can see tomatoes being produced there. Kind of a neat thing, these grafted vegetables. Cosmic kale is kind of a neat offering from Plug Connection. It's a variegated kale. You can see what it looks like when it's a little bigger there. Really nice looking plant. A little more color than your normal kale. They're also saying it does very well in the heat, and it doesn't bolt, which would be nice. Really give you some nice season extension. Maybe see how far it could go into the summer. Cosmic kale.